Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today.
The other day I showed you this because it was a test board, and today I just thought I would lay down a little bit of gel medium and start layering, and we'll see what we can turn this into. I think I'll do a little pour on part of this. Whoops, actually I think I'll drip. This is zinc white, which is transparent. That's looking pretty ugly. Not sure what I think I'm doing. When I collage, I like to use a lot of papers that go almost totally transparent when they're wet. Not all of them do. Some of them stay opaque, but I like to try to use papers that go clear, because I want my work to have a lot of depth to it. I don't want anyone to look at it and say, oh, that's the such and such a wrapping paper, or hey, I have napkins that match that, or didn't Tim Holtz make that paper, or anything like that. Now, you may see elements of it, but I want it to be layered on layered, and so you're never quite sure what you're looking at. This is Lumiere Halo Pink Gold. I have a lipstick that's supposed to do that, but not quite as good. So I'm going to use this to unify this a little bit. Don't worry, it's not going to stay sparkly looking. Though my friend Debbie would love that. She is all about sparkle. Between the texture of my base and the texture of the sponge, this is really probably not going to look like anything when I pull it up. Cool. Y'all, I ruined my brushes. But they're okay for glue. You could be here all day waiting for me to open up some tape. Oh, that's not going to go clear. Nope. Whoops, you can't even see what I just did. Crud. This is a little too bold. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and
I'd love it if
go
you
over
would.
to studiopassionated.com. More info in the description. You'll be able to see all the new artwork as well as find pour painting recipes. Thanks again for watching.